Hello everyone, welcome to Donemax channel. This video tutorial is about Canon camera and how to shred CR2 and CR3 raw files from Canon camera. The Canon EOS R50V is a compact 4.2 MP APS-C mirrorless camera specifically designed for content creators, featuring a dedicated vertical mount, a front tele lamp, and a redesigned body without a viewfinder. Key features include 4060p video with 1.5x crop, 10-bit color, Canon Log 3, and a built-in zoom lever for power zoom lenses. Now let's introduce something unique, such as Canon's raw file format, CR2 and CR3. CR2 is the standard for older EOS cameras, such as the 5D Mark III quarters, and CR3 is used in newer EOS R series and modern PowerShot cameras. Now comes the most crucial point. Photos taken by Canon cameras contain both JPEG and original uncompressed RAW files, and this RAW file is in CR2 or CR3 format. When your camera card is full or you want to lend your camera to someone else for shooting, you may need to completely delete the original photos, including the RAW files. Open Donemax Data Eraser and change to erase files or folders, then select the CR2 and CR3 files from your memory card. Click the Erase Now button and wait for a while. All selected files have been thoroughly erased, leaving them clean and empty. After erasure, your Canon camera is now very clean and will not leak privacy and original data. This episode of the video ends here. Thank you for watching. See you next time.